Hi, welcome to The Oil Gift. I am Linda Green, and I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you how to make an easy DIY roller bottle with essential oils that might help when you have a little puffiness in your ankles and different things like that. So let's get started. So simple. These are so simple. First, we're going to take 4 drops of patchouli. I don't know how many people are familiar with patchouli, but it's kind of strong. But I like it. It's a good one. Okay, 4 drops, and I see I've got this. So I've got my roller bottle, and I'm going to use a little funnel. That way I know it's going to get into the bottle and not anywhere else. This one's a thicker one, so it takes a minute. So patchouli is good to help the circulation. It helps support when you have extra water. It's really good to help move things. Let's go on to grapefruit. We're going to do 3 drops of grapefruit. And it's a citrus oil, so it comes out pretty fast. Now, grapefruit is really good to support the lymph system and helps things to move through and be able to help with the kidneys as well. It's a good support for your kidneys. And it also helps to detoxify. And those things are good things that we need to do. Next, we're going to use 4 drops of Cypress. Cypress is really great for helping the lymph system as well, and to help with circulation, keeps things moving and flowing better. It's a great one. I use it a lot just to kind of, I don't know, I like that help for the circulation, and it helps with getting rid of some of that extra water that you might have. Next, we're going to use Helichrysum, and Helichrysum, I'm going to use 3 drops. Helichrysum is one of your pricier oils, so I'm going to use this. But it's an amazing, amazing oil. It also will be helpful for your lymph system, helps things to move through and get that circulation that you need to help with the cause of these kind of things that we get. That circulation is so important to have. Next, that's it for the oils. Next, we're going to top this all off with a fractionated coconut oil. So let's do that. I'm just going to fill it up maybe to like the neck of the bottle. Get rid of this little funnel here. Then I have this little gadget. This is so handy. It'll hold this bottle firm and straight, so I can get this little roller bottle clamped on. I don't want it to slide out from underneath me and lose all that, because that's happened to me before. So, wow, that one was fast. Sometimes they're a little bit stubborn. That is it. And then I will make a little label later. But anyway, this is a roller bottle to help circulation, to help move fluids through, and kind of get rid of those little puffy ankles that you might be struggling with. Awesome. You have a good day. Also, if you would like, subscribe, hit that bell, and even if you'd like to share, that would be so helpful to me. I really appreciate you watching. You have a fabulous day. Hit that bell. Thanks. Bye.